Hey guys, we're in Off-Road Outlaws today. We're driving my truck. But this is not no ordinary truck. It's actually not a truck. It's one of these. Yes, I just bought one of these. I upgraded it, put custom rims on it and everything. And now we just drive around. I love this thing because like you can just zoom around on it and it's fun. Especially the way it steers. Oh my god, guys. If we crash, I don't want to crash. I really don't want to crash this thing. Okay, well, a sound effect just played when I crashed. So that's good. And I don't want to have to play sound effects when I crash. Dr. Nichols! How are you doing, Kratisa? You will not call me by my name. You will prefer me as Dr. Nichols. Okay, Kratisa. Jesus, I'm saying random things so I can focus. Why did my back wheels go up? Well, I just want to do donuts. Stop. Okay. Let me just do this. Okay, that was the suspension test. I want to just drive. I want to casually drive and